Hey everyone, the MX Mechanical Graphite keyboard is evidence of Logitech's inventive strategy, which has helped the company maintain its market dominance in peripheral devices. This keyboard combines cutting-edge technologies, contemporary design, and high-quality materials to be suitable for daily usage and productivity. Let's test the unique features of the MX Mechanical Graphite in more detail. The MX Mechanical Graphite has a traditional design that prioritizes convenience and a full-size layout with 109 keys. It is a fantastic complement to any office because of its graphite-colored body with delicate gray embellishments, which radiates modern sophistication. The keyboard is small and robust, measuring 433 by 131 by 26.1 millimeters and weighing 828 grams. Its design places a strong emphasis on ergonomics and has a modest tilt for long-term comfort. The keyboard also features a rubberized base to keep it from slipping on surfaces and two folding legs that can be adjusted to change the angle. The MX Mechanical Graphite's usage of mechanical switches is one of its best features. Professionals and typists alike will like the accurate, tactile response that these switches provide. In addition to making cleaning simpler, the floating key design offers a visual aspect of lightness. The open arrangement behind the keys makes it easy to remove dust and debris. Another noteworthy characteristic of the keyboard is its clever white backlight. It only turns on when your hands are close to the keyboard thanks to a proximity sensor, and it turns off when you move away. In low light, the keys will be well lit thanks to this energy-efficient solution. The MX Mechanical Graphite has seamless connectivity thanks to support for both Bluetooth and Logitech's exclusive USB Logibolt receiver. Flexibility across numerous devices is made possible by this dual connection feature. Because it works with so many different platforms, such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android, it is a popular option for those who transfer between systems regularly. This keyboard has quiet touch switches, which mix tactile feedback with low noise levels. Even after prolonged use, typing on the MX Mechanical Graphite feels steady and quick, which lessens fatigue. For multitaskers, the option to quickly switch between three linked devices is quite useful. Additionally, Logitech offers a wide range of customization choices through the Logi Options Plus app. Workflows can be automated, keys can be redistributed, and macros can be made. For instance, you can set up hotkeys to start particular applications or carry out action sequences, which will greatly increase productivity. The rechargeable battery that powers the keyboard has a remarkable lifespan. With the backlight turned on, it lasts for up to 15 days. Without it, it lasts for up to 10 months. The keyboard can last for around 2 weeks between charges for the typical office worker who works 8 hours a day. This can be extended to 3 weeks for freelancers or part-time users who put in 4 to 5 hours a day. A USB-C connector makes charging straightforward and ensures compatibility with contemporary charging configurations. To sum up, the Logitech MX Mechanical Graphite is an advanced, useful keyboard that combines high-end components with innovative design. If you are looking for a dependable keyboard that improves user satisfaction and productivity, the MX Mechanical Graphite is a good option. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.